Okay. So I have given you some tasks. So how many of you have completed that one? Please write down in the chat box. Okay, someone is saying here is a mix of numerical and categorical variable in true data set. So no analysis can be applied here. Even I cannot use multivariate decision-making model. Helpful if you could give some guidance out. Okay, someone I am coming to you. Okay, just wait for some time. Uh, Neelkanta is saying, I have sent you. Okay, can you please share the screen and show me? Neelakanta, can you please share the screen and show me? Yes, please share your screen. And whoever has completed your task, please send it to this email ID. Okay, send it to this email ID. Neelakanta, can you are you sharing your screen? Okay, okay. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, sir. So first I have loaded the dataset
Okay,
and I am examined that I dropped the ID column because it is not necessary
not necessary. Yes.
and I removed the null values. There is a null value at the BMI column having null values.
Okay.
So there are less null values, so I have simply dropped it.
Dropped means you dropped the column or you are dropping the rows with null values.
Dropping the rows with null values.
Okay, if you're dropping the rows, okay, okay. Rows null values is okay. Okay,
Yes,
then
I have encoded the categorical values.
okay,
Then I have you can see the correlation heat map here.
okay, okay. Just this matrix, show me the matrix properly.
Wait a minute, sir.
Yes.
So can you see it?
Yes, yes, yes. I can see.
This is the correlation matrix. And later I have started the logistic regression.
Okay,
So this is the so first I have got the precision as 0. So
okay,
I balanced the class values and compile the logistic regression. Then I got these values as you can see their precision, recall, depth
mhm.
score, support, and you
Okay.
can see the
Yes, show me the confusion matrix.
so this is the confusion matrix.
Confusion matrix is it's quite awkward. 688, 241, 45, 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And this is the ROC curve.
Okay. Show me the confusion matrix first. Okay. In confusion matrix, it's showing the model is not that much means fitting well because you can see true positive and the true negative values right here. The diagonals. You see the diagonal. The right side is 241 is a very huge value.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we cannot say that the logistic regression model it is fitting properly. That
Okay.
is too many values which are not actually fitted properly. Means negative values are there. Means they are not
Okay.
predicting properly, right? So that is why this 241 it's a very huge.
Okay.
Okay. And you see also, so look at the curve. Yes.
Then
Look
this
at
is the
this.
curve.
This curve is not also, you can see if the curve is, if the values are fitting properly, the ROC, the curve will be just, it is touching the upper left corner.
Okay.
It is not at all in the, it is almost touching the, means it is too much distance is there from the upper left corner where the one, you can see the y-axis, the one, the number
Okay.
one is there. Okay, the distance between that
Yes.
one or leftmost corner and the curve, ROC curve, it is distance is very high. So the model is not good at all. Okay,
Okay.
other things.
Then have some error analysis.
Hmm, look at this curve also. Same
Yes,
thing.
sir. Then I have implemented also artificial neural network.
Mm-hmm. NN. Yes.
Here you can see the neural network implementation.
Mhm. Yeah, neural network. Show me the neural network. Let's go to the confusion matrix. I want to show that one.
So this is the conclusion.
Uh,
Nine
Nine
twenty nine,
nine 0
29.
929 0 53 0.
Yes, sir.
It's quite yes, it's that not that much. It's okay, almost okay. Okay, then carbs.
And yes, sir. Here I have compared the model accuracy, model loss. This
Okay,
is the ROC curve.
this ROC curve is also not that much good.
Yes.
Okay, look
And
at
I
this.
have
Recall this. Okay, next.
next I have compared logistic regression and ANN.
Mm-hmm.
These are the curves according to RF, ANN and logistic regression. The blue one is logistic regression and the yellow one is artificial neural network.
Mm-hmm.
That's all I have done, sir.
Okay. Okay, go to the that is that matrix, which is the correlation matrix.
To relate. Okay, sir.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, this one. Can you send this file to me, this email ID, am.arunava.research? I have just wrote in the chat box right now. Look at the
Okay,
chat
sir.
box. Okay.
Okay,
Send
sir.
file to me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
There should be some columns you need to delete.
Okay.
Otherwise, because you can see some columns are there that the deep blue columns, okay, deep blue cells, where
Yes.
you can see, yes, this one and this one. So it is showing the
Okay.
high correlation between
Okay.
these two means attributes or
Okay.
design variables. Okay, we need to
Okay.
delete them.
Okay.
Otherwise, the proper model may not be found because ROC curve, I whatever we got that are not that much in so it should be just almost should be touching to the should touch the upper left corner.
Yes, sir.
We can say it will be the good model. Okay, but the distance is
Okay.
very good.
Okay, sir.
Confusion matrix also not getting the proper value means it is huge number of negative values are there. So that's not predicting correctly the model.
Okay, sir. I will share this file.
Yes, you can see, share this file to me.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The next one, Deepak or others. Did you do some anything? Deepak, Asmit, Rishank. Yes. If you have done, then please share your screen. First, unmute yourself and share your screen. I will start from one. Uh, Sarah, you will show my project in next class. Okay. Okay, Asmit, haven't done yet. Deepak, next class. Nilkanta. Rishank, Rishank, are you there? Okay, Rishank, 30. Okay, okay. Okay, now Shovan. Shovan, now please share the data with me, okay? First, you share your screen. Also, send your data set with my email ID. Okay, am.arunava.research. Just I have shared in the chat box. Okay. So please share the data in my email also, and also you share your screen. Then let me check what can be done with the data set. Okay, you mailed. Let me check. Yes. Okay. I checked the data set. Okay, let me explain this. Okay. Okay, Suvan, you stop, please stop presenting. Okay, let me present my screen. I will show you how to, yes, how to deal with this. Is it visible? Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Look, first of all, the UAV model, these are the alternatives. Okay. So in TOPSIS method, TOPSIS is basically a multi-criteria decision-making method, right? So what multi-criteria decision-making method is, just let me give you a little bit example on this. Okay, there are some alternatives. Okay, and some criteria. So alternatives, these are the model names here. You can see the model names here. The last model, look at this one. UAV model. Here, the last model is not available. Uh, this is also not available. This one, let us suppose. Okay. UAV model, the first one DJI. Okay, this is alternative one. A1. DJI Mavic 3 A2 means alternative 2. alternative 2, Mavic 2, this is alternative 3, and means consider this. If something is not available, then no need to consider. Okay, just forget about it. So alternative, there are one, two, three, four alternatives. If some data sets, you can see the first data set here, first one, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 data sets are there for 5 different UV models. So you means only choose that particular data sets where all 5 different UV models are present. Okay, so you can see the first this table, the first table UV model worked by ER operation. Though all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 data sets are available there, so you can use that one. Okay, next data set is this one. Here also you can see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 UAV models are present, so you can use this data set also. Okay, but remember the Topsys method can be will be applied for the separately. Separately model separately means the first table, that is UAV model. This is table one, the first one. Okay, this is table two. So you can add these tables together. You can add these tables together and you can increase the number of model also. So here you can see in the first table how many models are there? 5 models, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the second model, you can see how many UV models are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 models. So how many total? 10 models, right? Okay, here in the third one, you can see how many are available. 1, 2, 3. Okay, not available, no need to consider them. So 1, 2, 3 means total 13. Next table, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All fives are there. So 13 plus 5, 18. Next 1, 2, 3. Yes, here also 5. Okay, so 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 25. Sorry, 23. And here also 23, 28, 5, all 5 are present. Okay, 33, here also all 5. 37, 37. Okay, so total 37 models are alternatives are there. A1, A2, A3. Okay, 37 alternatives. You need to select them. Okay. First of all, you tell me, did you means read this that one which I shared, Topsys method? Okay, did you see that Topsys method which I shared with you? A video. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you understood. In that case, I think you already understood that there should be in Topsys method, there should be some alternatives and there should be some criteria. So in the data set, you need to understand which should be the alternatives and which should be the criteria. So alternatives here, you must see that there are number of models, different UAV models are there. So all UAV models are the alternatives. So there are 37 alternatives are there. A1 to A37. Okay. And what are the criteria? Criteria is very easy. You can see all criterias are there, and the criteria are worked by, okay, year, operation, range, battery life, battery, wing types, rotors, okay, brushless motors, payload capacity, hover time, camera, and GPS. Understood? So these are the criteria. So worked by means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 criteria are there. Okay. So in between that criteria, you can see that some things are missing. missing means not available, not available are given. Some data are used as means categorical values. Categorical means here you can see jack n or something. These are categorical values. Okay. So in case of categorical, you can use different numbers for them. Okay. So you can see worked by. If worked by means all different tables means all worked by are different, then just delete this worked by table. Okay. If each and every table, the worked by names are different, no need to keep the worked by row. So you can just delete the worked by row. Okay. So if the categorical data, it doesn't mean that categorical means it should be some limitation. Means two or three category, maximum five can be considered. But in each and every table, there are different categories there. So 37, there are what are one, two, three, four, five. Five into world wise, how many tables are there? One, two, three, four. I think five tables, five or six. One, two, three, four, five. Five columns are there. So 5 into 5, 25 different categories are there. So then no need to consider anything. Okay. Just delete work by row. Delete the row. Okay. So if you delete the work by row, now our number of criteria will be 12. Okay. Now year is necessary because year is important. Operation. This is also, you can see operation mountain rescue, mountain. Yes, this is categorical. Operation you can use, you can see number of categories are limited. Okay, so in that case you use different numbers. Let us suppose that mountain rescue, you use mountain rescue equal to 0, then use for safety equal to 1, again mountain rescue 0, rescue missions 2, human body detection 3, and like this. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay, just you need to means replace the categorical with different numeric values. Otherwise, calculation is not possible, right? Okay, range is important. You need to keep the range. Battery life is also important. Sometimes battery life is not available. Now, in not available case, it means it is a null value, basically. Okay, so in case of not available case, you can search the Google. In this particular dataset, it is not available in this dataset. So you can see CNN with a tiny YOLO V3. Just search the Google. That is just copy this name, UAV model name, and search the Google that what is the battery life for this. There must be some battery life. If it is not given or something, then you can use the simply means mean of them. Okay, just to clean the data. Okay, you can use the mean method or median method, any method you can use, and you can just clean the data according to that. Okay. Okay, battery, you can delete this one, battery. Okay, so worked by and battery, these two criteria you can delete them. Okay, wings types, this is
Okay.
categorical. Quadcopter, quadcopter, hexacopter, fixed. Okay, again you replace this with 0, 1, and 2. Okay, rotors are of course this is numerical, and rotors you can just all values are given, so no need to change anything. Okay, brushless motors not available. Okay, not available, brushless motor not available means you can use there 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now here, okay, delete this brushless motor. Payload capacity. You can see payload capacity, it's a range. This one, this one, everything is a range in payload capacity. Okay. If any range is given, in this case, we need to use the fuzzy method. Okay. Fuzzy logic, which is basically used in the artificial intelligence whenever this kind of ranges are given. Okay. So payload capacity, but do you know what is fuzzy or how to deal with the fuzzy? If some fuzzy value is given. Hello.
So can you repeat again, sir?
Fuzzy technique means fuzzy logic. If any range is given, how to represent that range in a fuzzy model and defuzzify themselves. Defuzzify, and the numeric value you can get. Do you know
No,
what is
sir.
fuzzy logic?
No,
You don't
sir.
know fuzzy logic. Okay. In that case, just use the 1 to 1.5, right? Mean. Okay, mean of 1 and 1.5.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Just use the mean. Okay. Payload capacity where it is not available. In that case, DJI Mavic Pro and okay, search the Google for them. जैसे कि DJI Mavic Pro. Okay, just these models. Write down these models in and Google it. What is the payload capacity? Or you can use the Chat GPT also. Okay, so payload capacity, everything has some payload capacity is not available because the data is not available here. If it is again in Google, after Google it and after using the Chat GPT, still it is not available, then you can use the mean value of this. Okay, just to clean the data and nothing else. Over time, it is available. Camera. Okay, not available. Zero. Okay, and camera, GoPro infrared camera, you can see the number of categories in the camera. If number of categories in the camera is very high, no need to use, just you can delete the camera. Okay,
Okay, sir.
if the number of category of the camera is limited, in between 5 or 6, then you can use different numbers. Yes, not available, use the 0 for them. Okay, and next one is GPS. GPS is also categorical. If it is not available, use 0. Otherwise, you can use it means for categorical. You can use other numbers, 1, 2, or 3. Okay. So how many means criteria should be deleted? Worked by, battery, and brushless models. Okay. These three you should delete, and other categorical data, use some numeric values to replace them. Okay. Yes. Not available. Use them 0. Range, use the mean of them. Okay, and after Google is some values, you can Google it or use the Chat GPT for not available case. Okay, if it is still not available in Google or Chat GPT, then use the mean value of the rest of the means numbers, whatever available in that particular row. Okay,
Okay, sir.
then use the top system.
Okay. Okay. That means, sir, I
Yes,
have to create the data set first, then I have to do the analysis.
exactly. You need to clean the data set. Otherwise, this data set is not the clean data set.
Oh, okay, sir. ठीक.
Okay, and after that, actually, basically for these ranges, you should apply the fuzzy. Okay, first you do with the normal method. The fuzzy topsis, I will give you the means video link later. Okay, first you use this one. Okay, any other question?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, Neelkant, are you present? Yes. Neelkanta, means your data set. Okay. I think we should remove some columns. Okay, remove some design variables. Otherwise, I don't think so. It is possible to get the proper model for that. Okay. So after let me check that one. After that, if you're done, means you have done, I think, ANN and the logistic regression. Okay. And rest of the techniques also you should apply here. First, let me clean the data set. Means which columns should be remained and which columns should be deleted. Okay, let me clear that one first, and after that you will also apply. Okay, other than this logistic regression and ANN. Okay, XVG and that is what is that? Yes, random forest algorithm and decision tree. Okay, decision tree, random forest algorithm, and XVG. Okay, these three cases. Okay, same value we need, means same type of data and same curves. Okay, we need nothing else. Can you remove those columns and share the? Yes, yes. I will remove these columns and I will share the data set in the next class. Okay, I will tell you which column should be deleted. Okay. So after doing all these tasks, everyone, you should write down your report, all the graphs, whatever the graphs you get, and all the reports means the confusion matrix, all the matrices of the confusion matrix. Okay, you should write down in the that is report. Okay, the format of the report in is available in innovaworld.in, so you can download from there. Okay, so first let me clear all this means right now it is not necessary. Let me first clear which should be deleted and which should be kept, and then we need to complete all the methods, and one by one we will means write down in the report format. Okay, and Deepak, Smith, please do it as fast as possible because you will be late. It means your publication will also be late. Okay, paper writing is very not a easy task. It is very difficult task. Okay, so after completion of all this report, we will go to the paper writing. So we need another means training for that. How to write down the abstract, how to write down the introduction, then literature review, and the problem definition and everything. So it is quite a difficult task. Okay, so it is better if you do your task timely, then it will be better for all of us. Okay, any question or anybody, any other question from anybody? Okay, then I'm going to wind up the class now. Thank you for attending my class, and good night, everyone.